For the snapback.
Hey, the pause.
If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't chat back. Pee-wee. Send corn for the snapback. Have you ever beat corn right out the hatchback? Had to jump out and jump man like black. If you ever hear me.
I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. You see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bull, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. Why you fronting? You ain't no fucking gunman, cuz. You don't know. First to the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know, say a cogency for the cogency rocks. Channel. And today, we have DoRoad with Rap Cap. Bro, I swear, DoRoad is like shadow banned on YouTube, bro. Them the one DoRoad. Drop no music, upload no video, or do none of that, bro. Cause every time you drop a video, that shit gets taken down, re-uploaded. Just click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. I'm getting to that point where my words just don't make sense anymore. So gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Click those links, like, share, and subscribe. Bro, trust me. Leaving a like and subscribing isn't going to take anything away from you, bro. If you're not liking and subscribing just because you don't like me, then fine. But then don't watch the video then, bro, because majority of you niggas that watch, y'all not subscribing and y'all don't like the video. So just do that for me, please, bro. Just please. Just help me out. Just help a nigga out, man. You see I'm trying, man. Just help a nigga out, bro. Fuck, man. Shit. And when you hit the like button, tell me. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. But anyway, man. Jump into this shit, bro. Fuck y'all niggas if y'all want to like this shit, man. Oh my god. I'm going to like this beat already. Oh my god. I DoRoad. What you do know? I know you, bro. Like my Hugh blow.
If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't chat back. Pee-wee. Send corn for the snapback. Have you ever beat corn right out the hatchback? Had to jump out and jump man like black. If you ever hear me talk about shoelace right round my neck, that's the Mac that. I can't believe in nothing they say, that's rap cat. Everything that we talk is rap facts. If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't chat back. Pee-wee. Send corn for the snapback. Have you ever beat corn right out the hatchback? Had to jump out and jump man like black. If you ever hear me talk about shoelace right round my neck, that's the Mac that. I can't believe in nothing they say, that's rap cat. Everything that we talk is rap facts. I can't believe in nothing.
Whew. Wow. You know? Bro, I was there rapping, thinking, you know what I'm saying? He was probably going to give us an intro or something like, yo, DoRoad, 6'7", Gypsy Hill, gang, fuck the fours, like something, dog. Speaking of fuck the fours, bro, I literally just watched a video, and when he said, why you fronting, you know fucking gunman, cause the man was talking to Liquor Ross, brother, from the other plugged in. Cause Liquor Ross say, I get called up when they need that gunman. Brrrr, gunman. If you clocked him, I would have tried to dump him, put him in a box by the breast with the thumb friends. Yeah, that's that. And DoRoad say, why you fronting? You ain't no fucking gunman, cause man consider about me casino. How do I a banman? I hit him with a Humpty Dump. Alright, anyway. But bro, this, whoo, you heard me rap it at the start, bro. I love this beat, fam. And DoRoad is crazy, bro. DoRoad is like my favorite rapper. Well, my top 5.
Aye. If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't chat back. Pee-wee. Send corn for the snapback. Have you ever beat?
Who is Pee-wee, bro? Like, the way I'm saying, I Pee-wee. Like, the man there outside of the studio, man, I shout him, I Pee-wee. I Pee-wee. Like, fuck off, man. What's going on? I DoRoad. I do you, bro.
If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't chat back. Pee-wee. Send corn for the snapback. Have you ever beat corn right out the hatchback? Had to jump out and jump man like black cats. If you ever hear me talk about shoelace
jump out and jump man like black cats.
Have you ever beat corn right out the hatchback? Had to jump out and jump man like black cats. If you ever hear me talk about shoelace right round my neck, that's the Mac that. I can't believe in nothing they say, that's rap cat. Everything that we talk is rap facts. If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't chat back. Pee-wee. Send corn for the snapback. Have you ever beat corn right out the hatchback? Had to jump out and jump man like black cats. If you ever hear me talk about shoelace right round my neck, that's the Mac that. I can't believe in nothing they say, that's rap cat. Everything that we talk is rap facts. I can't believe in nothing they say, that's rap When I came to your block, all you heard was back. I'm a bad man, G17 man, ring that. If I ain't got the whap, I got the yank man, ring that. I'm feeling like toolers, I don't give a fuck. Any up, get got, whether it's bigger or smaller. Fuck them. Caught by me, then it's torture. Each I want to be caught up. Caught by the SADs and the slaughter. Yeah, you know the rest. Yes. Come round, I'm older than a clip full. And you know that it's filled with lead. Tell your mum if she hears this loud ass bang in your block, better stay in her bed. I'm 15.
Oh man, dog. Ooh. Speechless. That's what I am right now. I'm speechless, bro. I have so many questions. I want to ask what, how, when, why, where. Oh my fucking God. Who? Like, oh fucking hell, bro. Let's just take this back, bro. Like, if you don't like me pulling it up so much, fuck you, fam. This is disgusting.
When I came to your block, all you heard was back.
Bro, even the way I'm started, man.
My neck, that's the Mac, that. I can't believe in nothing they say that's rap cap. Everything that we talk is rap. I can't believe in nothing they say that's rap cap.
Ah!
When I came to your block, all you heard was back.
Bap.
I'm a
Ah!
bad man, G17 man, ring that. If I ain't got the whap, I got the yank man.
Ying that.
Feeling like toolers, I don't give a fuck. Any up, get got, whether it's bigger or smaller. Fuck them. Caught by me, then it's torture. Each I want to be caught up. Caught by the SADs and the slaughter. Yeah, you know the rest. Yes. Come round, I'm older than a clip full. And you know that it's filled with lead. Tell your mum if she hears this loud ass bang in your block, better stay in her bed. I was 15, trying to put it in his neck. Everyone on my block was in check. No, I don't.
15. Trying to put it in his neck. At this point, I'm not even surprised, bro, because there was like a 12-year-old assassin the other day, bro. Like, not 12-year-old, the 14-year-old guy that shot the, you know what I'm saying? Like, niggas 12 years old, 13 years old catching bodies in England, bro. You know what I'm saying? Shanking, man. At 12, brother, all 12-year-old in a Jamaica murder, man, brother. So, I'm not even surprised anymore, bro. Really, actually. But hearing it, 15, trying to put it in his neck. Jesus. DoRoad, get some help, bro. Get some help.
Come round, I'm older than a clip full. And you know that it's filled with lead. Tell your mum if she hears this loud ass bang in your block, better stay in her bed. I was 15, trying to put it in his neck. Everyone on my block was in check. No, I don't take no type of disrespect. I stand my older brothers older, I ain't do it for the rep. I told him hold it in the shoulder, but I hit him in the head. Trying to send him bed. I don't need to name everyone that bled. That's too much for the feds. If I told you my...
Yes, too much for the feds, bro. Because him and Bully B look like them a go for the most points in this rap shit, you know. Bully B said, man can't chat to me about drillings because I got more than 10 of my shank. And then DoRoad say, if you count his drillings, beatings and shankings, it's a mad thing. So weird, it's a mad thing.
No type of disrespect.
Even the way, I don't take no type of disrespect, like the man is serious in the booth, bruh. Like, fuck off.
And you know that it's filled with lead. Tell your mum if she hears this loud ass bang in your block, better stay in her bed. I was 15, trying to put it in his neck. Everyone on my block was in check. No, I don't take no type of disrespect. I stand my older brothers older, I ain't do it for the rep. I told him hold it in.
Man said I stabbed my older brothers older. What?
I know my block was in check. No, I don't take no type of disrespect. I stand my older brothers older, I ain't do it for the rep. I told him hold.
I stabbed my older brothers older, I ain't do it for rep. Your older brothers older. DoRoad, what's wrong with you, bro? I just told you to get help, fam. I have the number for a therapist or a psychologist, psychiatrist, whatever you need, fam. Or a farm. I don't know, man. You need help, bro.
Everyone on my block was in check. No, I don't take no type of disrespect. I stand my older brothers older, I ain't do it for the rep. I told him in the shoulder, but I hit him in the head.
And then even the way how I make it flow, I said my older brothers older, and then in the head, trying to show them in the shoulder.
But disrespect, I stand my older brothers older, I ain't do it for the rep. I told him hold it in the shoulder, but I hit him in the head. Trying to send him bed. I don't need to name everyone that bled. That's too much for the feds. If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't chat back. Pee-wee, send corn through the snapback. Have you ever beat corn right out the hatchback? Had to jump out and jump man like black. If you ever hear me talk about shoelace right round my neck, that's the Mac that. I can't believe in nothing they say, that's rap cap. Everything that we talk is rap facts. If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't chat back. Pee-wee, send corn through the snapback. Have you ever beat corn right out?
Bro, while I was drinking that water, I was like, drill music is amazing, you know. Drill music is fucking amazing, bro. And there's no other genre where I can hear the 808s do what they're doing and this melody at the same time. And DoRoad, the fucking Gypsy Hill demon himself, at the same time. Thank God. Big up Chicago for the whole drill thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? From 2012. You understand? Big up Chicago, bro. Because I love drill, bro. I love fucking drill.
Right round my neck, that's the Mac that. I can't believe in nothing they say, that's rap cap. Everything that we talk is rap facts. If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't chat back. Send corn for the snapback. Have you ever beat corn right out the hatchback? Had to jump out and jump man like black. If you ever hear me talk about shoelace right round my neck, that's the Mac that. I can't believe in nothing they say, that's rap cap. Everything that we talk is rap facts. I've been acting a fool since way back then. It was the SADs that done your older, so you know you shouldn't talk on them. Remember when we had 32 on the stand? But I named it red. Uni shooters, go find them.
What? Oh, just tip out the verse again.
I can't believe in nothing they say, that's rap cap. Everything that we talk is rap facts. I've been acting a fool since way back then. It was the SADs that done.
Dog, sorry, I'm sorry if I'm pausing it too much, dog, but every time there's something I like, I have to talk about it. Listen to this part.
I've been acting a fool since way back then.
Like, bro, the man, he said it and then he left space for you to think about how way back it was. How long ago it was, bro. Bro, I feel like DoRoad has been doing road since, bro, like 2005. No, like 2008. You understand? From baggy jeans days. Baggy jeans, the BlackBerry, the flip phone. You understand? That's when DoRoad been a DoRoad from, bro. Cause, nah, man. Anyways, bro, let's listen to the fucking song.
Everything that we talk is rap. I've been acting a fool since way back then. It was the SADs that done your older, so you know you shouldn't talk on them. Remember when we had 32 on the stand? But I named it red. Uni shooters, go find them for them. E got bind up, they didn't fire him again. We just got new con and he filing again. You got all some of these if you side them with them. I tell me young boy squeeze if you sight one of them. You better squeeze if you sight one of them. If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't.
I can see why you went back to the hook after that. What the fuck was that flow, DoRoad?
Since way back then.
Nah, let's listen to everything again.
Everything that we talk is rap. I've been acting a fool since way back then. It was the SADs that done your older, so you know you shouldn't talk on them. Remember when we had 32 on the stand? But I named it red. Uni shooters, go find them for them. E got bind up, they didn't fire him again. We just got new con and he filing again. You got all some of these if you side them with them. I tell me young boy squeeze if you sight.
Dog, I need to know what he's saying, man.
But I named it red. Uni shooters, go find them for them. E got bind up, they didn't fire him again. We just got new con and he filing again. You got
Just got new con, they need filing again.
Uni shooters, go find them for them. E got bind up, they didn't fire him again. We just got new con and he filing again. You got all some of these if you side them with them. I tell me young boy squeeze if you.
You can owe some of these if you file it with them. Bro, the man is showing you the size of the code, man. So you can owe some of these if you file it with them. What?
Two in the stand, but I named it red. Uni shooters, go find them for them.
In the stand, but I named it Ren. What is that, bro?
Remember when we had 32 in the stand, but I named it red. Uni shooters, go find them for them. E got bind up, they didn't
Fire him again.
We just got new con and he filing again. You got all some of these if you filing with them. Tell me young boy squeeze if you sight one of them. You better squeeze if you sight one of them. If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't chat back. Send corn for the snapback.
Hey, the pause.
If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't chat back. Send corn for the snapback. Have you ever beat corn right out the hatchback? Had to jump out and jump man like black. If you ever hear me talk about shoelace right round my neck, that's the Mac that. I can't believe in nothing they say, that's rap cap. Everything that we talk is rap facts. If I told you my chingins, I bet you wouldn't chat back. Send corn for the snapback. Have you ever beat corn right out the hatchback? Had to jump out and jump man like black. If you ever hear me talk about shoelace right round my neck, that's the Mac that. I can't believe in nothing they say, that's rap cap. Everything that we talk is rap facts.
And we call that Ren. Aye. Hold on.
Everything that we talk is rap facts.
Hey. Talk about rap facts. You don't rap that. Aye. Hey, side round, there we go. Right. Aye. Hey, now we go back. Aye. Shotgun, gun, double tap that. Jeez. I do road. Show me what you do know. Go do you, bro. Oh, man, I want freestyle right now, fam. Don't know, but DoRoad. With Run My Hell visuals. Fucking hell, rap cap. No. We've listened to only 9s and 10s today, bro. Know what I'm saying? I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. You understand? Literally. I don't care what nobody else wants to say, bro. It's a 9 out of 10 for me. If you don't like it, fuck you, nigga. You understand? DoRoad with rap cap. Amazing. The sickest beat I heard today. Literally, this is my favorite beat I heard today. And DoRoad forward with some different flow in the second part. I say, what the blood clot did I use here? Like him don't know some want listen what him say. Him just want flow. But Big up DoRoad still. Fucking sick. Tell you that DoRoad has been doing road since bootcut jeans. You understand? Since I don't even know since when, dog. Since Cartel and Mavado a clash. From them time the DoRoad I do road, brother. From Cartel and Mavado a clash, a sting a 2008. Them time the DoRoad I do music. I mean I do road. But anyway, man. Fucking 15 minutes long, man. Click my links in the description. Like, share, subscribe, please, if you like it. If you don't do that, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna cuss you, nigga. Keep watching the videos, nigga, of his views. So, you know what I'm saying? If you fuck with me, like, share, subscribe, click my links in the description. Yeah, and I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah. Can't wait the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the 400 quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.